Updates and facelifts to new cars are nothing new. They happen all the time, except that the latest one for Mazda's workhorse ute is a little bit different.
That's because it was conceived and created in Australia, predominantly for Australia. Local executives realised there wasn't much keeping the BT-50 fresh in an era of plenty of updates and new arrivals for competitors. So they went about creating a new front-end look for the ute that shares its architecture and running gear with the Ford Ranger.
Now, bolting a new bumper on a car may seem like a relatively easy thing, except there's actually a fair bit to it. Not only making sure it meets all of Mazda's internal requirements, but also the regulatory requirements. Part of that involves things like durability testing, which is why we're here at a proving ground at Anglesea, just outside Melbourne. But of course, the big thing with this car is what it does to the look.
Prior to coming here, Mazda has performed a low-speed crash test, as well as airflow tests to ensure the new look doesn't impact the airflow to the engine. The proving ground, though, is all about punishing the car. It's durability testing to make sure the new bumper can cope with bumps, corrugations, dust, flexing, and whatever else a good old thrash down a dirt road entails. It hasn't changed the basics of the BT-50. There's still plenty of the old car, but it has freshened the front end look at a time when the ute market is really heating up.